Today we're going to make herb-crusted halibut in a lovely butter cream sauce. Begin by taking a medium bowl and adding in the mayonnaise. To this you will add your Dijon mustard. And to that you will add some freshly squeezed lemon juice. With either a whisk or a spatula or fork, blend these liquid, wet ingredients together. And now, add your breadcrumbs, but don't add them all, just about half to 2/3, setting the rest to the side. Add freshly grated Parmigiano cheese. Don't use the pre-grated that you purchase from the store. Grate your own. Now prepare your baking pan, and you can use either cooking spray or you can use olive oil. To your prepared pan, add the halibut, placing at least 1 inch around each side, being very careful because this is fragile fish. And now, take the mixture that you mixed together, spreading half of it on the fish. Bake for 5 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You will have plenty of this mixture to put on top. Stick it in the oven and bake for 5 to 10 minutes on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And while that's baking, take the rest of the mixture and mix some melted butter and garlic with it, any herbs that you want. And then after it's done baking the first time, you add what you just blended together, this butter garlic topping. You can see the difference. The darker golden color is what you just baked, and the lighter color is what you just mixed, the butter garlic topping. So there's 2 different toppings on this. Now remove the hot pan from the oven and pour cream all around the halibut, on top and around, placing a big patty of butter on top. Broil for another 3 to 5 minutes. Then when it's hot and ready, plate your fish and pour the buttercream sauce all around the fish. This is so delicioso. You're gonna love this. Buon Appetito. Thanks for watching. This is Roz from Nonna's Italian Kitchen. I hope that you will subscribe and hit the like button.